Hindi, nag-update ako sa mga video.
Just after you,
Okay. Balik ako na sa likod.
dito lang yung sa akin, ganun pa lang. Doon natin. And here,
screenshot mo.
ay, yun. Tapos, sabi pa ng konti.
Maraming salamat po.
Ate, basta po kayo. Sino po?
May we have the attention of everybody. It's a beautiful night, and we're being surrounded by incredibly beautiful people, and that is you. We're taking the crazy travel to be in Bicol, traveling far and wide just to show your love and support for our dearest Langga and her family. I say thank you, everyone. My name is Marion Cartel, and my greatest honors and pleasure of opening up the celebration of the 18th birthday of our dearest Rachel May, our very own Langga. Would you please welcome this time, in a round of applause, for her beautiful family, a big hand for Mrs. Maria Nazareno. Let's give her a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, to the other root of our family, please welcome to the equally beautiful grandmother all the way from Bukidnon. A big hand for Mrs. Susan Arriba. Let's give her a round of applause. The beautiful roots of our family, our grandmothers, let's give them a round of applause. Celebration are the incredibly supportive and loving aunts and uncles of our dearest Langga. Please welcome to the aunt, Miss Mary Joy Arriba. Let's give her a big hand. Thank you so much. And we have the other beautiful uncle, a big hand for Mr. Maxim Arriba. We now have the equally beautiful uncle, Mr. Roland Arriba. Let's give him a big hand. My pleasure of introducing to everybody the paternal uncle and aunt of our dearest Langga. Please welcome Mr. Benji and Mrs. Maribel M. Bustamante. And here we go. For the most doting uncle in the universe, a big hand for Mr. Arnel Tito Donald Morales. Let's give him a big hand. And folks, this time, as I would like to give equal honor and respect to the beautiful mother of our dearest Langga. She might not be here, but she has always had the helping hand of this beautiful tita. Please welcome to the one and only tita of our Langga, Miss Annabelle Aguilar. Palakpakan po natin. Well, Annabelle, thank you and congratulations for this night as well. And our dearest Langga, I would always say that we might have all the material things in the world, but if we do not have our family, what else do we have? Our Langga has it all. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce to everybody the equally beautiful sister of our dearest Langga, a big hand for Miss Hazel Morales. Gentlemen, to the other equally gorgeous sister, a big hand for Miss Cherylee Morales. Only brother of our dearest Langga, a big hand for Mr. Ian Christ Morales. To the youngest sister, a round of applause for Miss Catherine Altea Morales. I know that you have been waiting for this, for the real host of the party to be truly introduced. May I have the honor of introducing to everybody the man who's also celebrating his 18th birthday as the father of our Langga. Please welcome in a round of applause for our dearest dad, Mr. Rayson Morales. Let's give him a big hand. With how I would love to honor our dearest mother, our dearest Mama Tin. Wherever she is, I know that she's happy and she's looking down to us up in heaven. Let's give our Mama Tin a round of applause. Thank you, everyone. Folks, ladies and gentlemen, as I always say the best for last. There will be no langga if there is no dodong, and there's no dodong without the langga. Ladies and gentlemen, my pleasure and honor at the same time to introduce to you the love of the life of our langga. A big hand for Mr. Ruel Matubang Jr. Let's give him a round of applause. The family of our dearest Rachel May, our dearest langga, the biggest round of applause. I believe, of course, that tonight I do not only have, the beautiful people of Camarines Norte. I have a lot of beautiful people coming from all directions, but all of these directions only led them to one place, and that is in Bicol, the heart of your langga. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the RFUS family, my name is Marion Cartel once again, formally welcome you all in the celebration of the 18th birthday of our dearest langga. Folks, to formally welcome us all and acknowledge each of us, I wish for everybody to please listen to the heart of your one and only Dodong. Please welcome and a round of applause for Mr. Ruel Matubang Jr. Palakpakan po.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, friends, families, supporters, and viewers. Good evening po. A word of welcome to each and everyone as we are about to celebrate the Rachel's or Langga's 18th birthday. So, I welcome you all in this prestigious celebration of Langga 18th birthday. So, i-highlight ko lang po dito yung mga pumunta, no? Family of Rachel Morales. Dito po, on the left side. And also the side of her mother, the side of the Morales family and the Arriba family. Yeah, give round of applause. Next one, family and friends. Andyan yung classmates niya over there. Kawin-kawin naman. Friends and classmates. And syempre yung family ko din po, andito din po. Yan sila, mama, si papa. So, and welcome. Syempre yung mga kasamahan namin mga vloggers dito. Yan sila Marine, sila Titay. Yan, welcome everyone. And most especially ang ating mga minamahal po ng mga supporters. Palakpakan po natin ang lahat. Thank you so much for joining with us tonight sa special day ni Langga. Thank you sa inyong pagpunta and mag-enjoy po tayo lahat sa mga the rest of the program. Thank you so much and God bless us all.
Ladies and gentlemen, our dearest Dodong himself, thank you so much for welcoming us in the celebration and at the same time, of course, not only welcoming us, but appreciating us as well. Ladies and gentlemen, prior to this big day of our dearest Langga, she attended a lot of many different activities. And this time, we're going to selflessly share with everybody the highlights, the best moments of our Langga during her pre-debut shoot. Everyone, here is our walk. If ever everyone is ready, let's watch this. of our dear. You're now looking even more beautiful. Once again, congratulations. This is one of your biggest nights. Ladies and gentlemen, to formally, of course, begin with this one, may we kindly request our dearest family, our Papa Raysan, and the siblings of our dearest Langga, Miss Hazel, Miss Charlene, Miss Ruby and Chris, and Miss Kathleen Althea. And she's looking like a princess. Exactly! Our princess come alive tonight. Thank you so much. That's it. Please. Let us join, of course. Time, folks, we would like to call our family from the Arriba side of our dearest Rachel. May we have our dearest Grandma Susan, Uncle Maxine, Uncle Roland, and Aunt Mary Joy. Our dearest Tito Bench, Tita Maribel, and Tito Donat. Thank you. Are we good? Grandma and Uncle Aunt, you may be seated po. Thank you, Grandma, and our dearest uncles and aunts, together with their children. Grandma, are you okay? Wow. Grandma has a very long day, just like most of us. Thank you. What about the uncles and aunts? Let's begin with Tito Donat, Tito Benchi, and Tita Maribel. These are the aunts and uncles of our dearest Rachel from the side of our Papa Raysan. Tita, let's see. Or do you want to go away from Tito Benchi? Sige po. And please, for dearest Dodong, Sir Dodong, and of course to our dearest Mama Chu and Papa Awe, together with the siblings of our Sir Dodong. Thank you. Expressions, then thank you. I definitely use them all for you. Okay, baby, my dearest Langa, that would be your seat. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, to open up our salvation, we offer and dedicate ourselves to the Almighty God. May I request once again everyone to please stand as we express our reverence to the Almighty God by way of our opening prayer to be led by Mr. Alfie Glico. Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it's power right. Dear God, in this sacred moment, we gather here in your presence, seeking your divine blessing for this wondrous party. May your radiant light shine upon us, illuminating our hearts with our abundance of joy, love, and unity. We thank you profoundly for this opportunity to come together and celebrate His precious moment, the second birthday celebration of Rachel Morales. In your holy name, we offer our gratitude for the generosity of those who have provided for this party. We beseech you to multiply their kindness and repay in her abundance, and we express our deepest gratitude for the abundance of blessing in our lives. We are profoundly thankful for this party, for those love that surround us, and for the cherished moment we are about to create. May my heart be continually filled with thankfulness, and we never take your blessing for granted. In your name, we offer our prayer. Amen.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we may all be seated. Thank you to our gentleman, Mr. Alfie Glico. Everyone, we may all be seated. Folks, tonight we are being gathered here, and as I have been announcing it intermittently, there is one fervent request from our dearest and loving supporters. Please, allowed po ang lahat mag-video and take pictures, pero wala muna pong maglalabas or mag-upload on any of your social media accounts. That Rachel and Roel first do the uploading as advised by our dearest sponsors. And I hope that you wouldn't mind, right? Thank you, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, as we formally begin the night for dearest Rachel, 18 chosen gentlemen are going to join her on the dance floor. Would you please welcome our dearest Langga together with the gentlemen of the 18 Roses. And who would have the first dance? None other than the father, Mr. Raysan Morales. Let's give him a round of applause. Mr. Ian Chris Morales. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you, Bob. how beautiful it is to see the brother and the debutant on the dance floor. Moving over to our next special gentleman, please welcome Mr. Axel Maravillo. With our birthday girl, please welcome Mr. Justin Aguirre. Let's give him a big hand. Mr. Jericho Anderson Tan. Gentlemen, to better prepare our next one, please welcome Mr. Christian Orlan. Let's give him a round of applause. For our next special dance, please welcome Mr. Joshua Amaro. Let's give him a big hand. Mr. Lance Banal. Let's give him a big hand. Mr. Johnson Espinola. Let's give him a round of applause. Lynn Saliente. Let's give it a people. as I give you this one special guy who would complete the night of our dearest Langgam for her last dance, a big hand for Mr. Ro. Matubang. Let's give him a round of applause. Please join our langga for your much-needed photo opportunity. May we have once again our dearest Papa, Papa Raysan. At the other side, Mr. Ian Chris Morales, Mr. Axel Maravillo, Mr. Justin Aguirre, Mr. Jericho Anderson Tan, Mr. Christian Parlan, Mr. Joshua Amaro, Mr. Lance Bana, Mr. Lance Balonzo, Mr. Jancy Espinola, Mr. Jerwin Saliente, Mr. John Benedict Mubanlan, Mr. John Gadren Paming, Mr. Robinson Matuba, Mr. Lindon Ligot, Mr. Evaristo Velez, Mr. Angelo Abla. Thank you, everybody. Once again, let's give our gentlemen a round of applause. Palakpakan po. Watch this.
Si Loloy, and binabati kita ng isang napakaligayang kaarawan, and I know napakasaya mo yun. May nihanda akong munting sorpresa para sa'yo. Sana magustuhan mo. Thank you very much and God bless. Ipikit nating lahat ng ating mga mata at dahan-dahan nating ito'y buksan. Bumababa mula sa mga bituin ang kagandahan ng taglay ay silayan. Isang anghel na nababalot ng kariktan, pagmamahal sa puso niya itong tangan. Sa ika-18 niyang kaarawan, pasalubungan natin ng masigabong palakpakan. Sa bawat indalog ng malambing na musika, mas higit natin mamamasdan. Mula sa mga inosent niyang mga ngiti, sa bawat puso natin ay kasiyahan. Isang dalarang tapat na umibig, o may swerte naman ang pinagarayan. Kaya nga ikaw bubong walang malalag, ang ibig sa puso mo ay pigilan. Ikaw lang gari siya ng isang halimbawa, inspirasyon ka ng mga kabataan. Mula sa mapagmahal mong buting ama, saludo kaming lahat kay Tatay Tito. Salamat sa lahat ng kanyang pag-aalaga at sa pagmamahal na dapat lang sa tiwala niyang ibinigay sa iyo lang lahat. Karapat dapat natin siya nahahagan. Tumayo ka lang ba bilang isang ating mapagmahal mula ng mahal yung pinakaibumisan. Pinanghawakan mo ang matunay na pangako upang pamilya ay iahon sa kanya. Punong-puno ang puso ng pag-asa para sa tagumpay nitong kinabukasan. Kaya nga siguro pinagkaloob siya ng Diyos ang taglay mo ngayong kasikatan. Mula sa mga nakahahawang mga tawa, mula sa mga kakatuwang kulitan, nabihag mo ang tanging atensyon ng marami, nagbigay solusyon sa kalungkutan. Nasasalamin sa iyong mata at pagkatao ang bawat ganda ng katotohanan na ikaw Rachel May dahil sa Riva Morales, punong-puno ang puso mo ng kamilihan. Kaya naman hindi natin talaga masisisi sa tuluyang mahalin ka na may katapatan nang nagkikisang langganang buhay mo. Walang iba kundi si Dudong Ruel Magumang. Kaya kitang-kita natin lahat ng narito. Talaga namang nag-uumapaw ang kababuhan. Kaya naman ng tayong bayan mo yung Torloloy ay huwag mo siya bibitawan. Sa gabi ito, isadyang hindi namin may pagwanan. Ang tuwa at saya namin naramdaman. Sapagkat mukhang malalahan na sa aming lahat ang iniingatan nyo na sumbahan. Kahit marami na ng patunay at ebidensya ang aming napanood at nasaksiyan, pwede bang isang palambing na mahal kita lang nga? Sino na Dudong Noel? Isang ang lagi ay agulit kung ikaw naman. Baka biglang nabubayo ang ating tiwala, pag-ibong sabay-sabay ng ating mga puso, baka itong lubong ay magpaglakan. Para sa ating napakagandang bilat ngayong gabi, baka pwede namin makuha ang kasagutan. Pwede bang ikaw na mismo ang lumigtas? I love you Tulangga, ngayon at kailanman. Hindi naman talaga dito nagtatapos ang lahat. Kundi ito ay tanda upang pura na sila. Upang hangunin mo lang itong mundo upang lahat ng mga pagsubok ay malampasan. Kasama mo ang mga taong sa iyo ay nagmamahal, mga nagsisilbi mo na sundana. Andoon sila sa bawat pahina ng tagumpay, maging sa dako ng iyong mga pag-iwan. Minsan man ay naranasan mong lumuha dahil sa mundo ng social media mong pinasukan. Marami ka bang natanggap na maling mga paghusga? Ang iba pa nga ay iyong iyakan. Ngunit dahil din sa mga pangungutya mong natanggap, mas pinakita mo sa amin ang katatagan. Nagsilbing aral ang lahat ng mga pagtuligsa upang mas magpatuloy ka pa at lumaban. Ngayong gabi ng di mo malilimutang daan, kitang-kita sa iyong mga mataang kagalakan, mga bagay na kailanman ay di mo naisip na darating sa buhay mo ang ganitong kaganapan. Mga nakakagulang mga pagbabago at sorpresa, mga handog na tanging sa iyo nakalaan. Deserve mo naman talaga ang lahat ng to dahil kahanga-hanga ang iyong katauhan. Alam namin marami ka pang mga pangarap para sa pamilya mong nanginginig. Kasama mo ang buong Rochelle community upang ikaw ay totoong suportahan. Wala mang permanenteng bagay dito sa aming mundo. Wala kang dapat nakatakutan. Dahil kung totoo ka sa mga layunin at hangarin, lahat ng hinahangad ay makakamtan. Itong mga pahuling talata ng mga bara, hayaan ng panandalian natin balikan ang mga nakalipas na magagandang alaala noong una ka naming masilayan. Andito naman si Dodong Roel Alalat. Siya ang magsisilbing katibayan na ang nabuong kwento ng Rochelle hindi niya kayang kalimutan. Hayaan kung ikaw ay aming tanungin, ano nga ba ang tunay mong naramdaman? Noong unang magtagpo ang inyong mata, bigla ka ng Dodong pinamayan. Naisip mo bang mangyayari ang lahat ng to o sadyang hindi mo na namalayan? Nasa dako pa roon ng inyong kwento, hahantong sa matamis na tinginan. Nakalipas na isang karakilig na taon at ang mga alaala na lang ang nagbuhay. Sa dinami-dami ng magandang pangyayari, kailan mo nga ba natuklasan? Na tumutugon na ng totoo itong puso, paano ka nga ba ni Dudong niligawan? Isang tanong pa lang nga, Rachel, paano siya kumasa sa iyong pamantayan? Pasensya ka na aming magandang dalaga kung napunta dito ang usapan. Sa iyo naman talaga ang masayang gabing ito, kaya kami sana ay pagbigyan. Ang tanging hangad lang naman namin, sa iyo mismo namin ito mapakinggan. Wala nang paligoy-lugoy palangga. Kailan ka nga ba talaga kay Dudong ay tinamaan? Oo, pasensya na po kayong lahat sa munting regalo kong nakayanan. Nagsilbing inspirasyon kayong dalawa upang mas mailabas pa ang kakayahan. Magdoon sa likod ng tugma para at salita, aming pagmamahal mo ang batayan. Ang lahat ng pangyayaring iyong gabi ay uukit sa buhay ko at kasaysayan. Salamat po sa lahat ng narito at dumalo. Hinayaan niyo kung tula ko ay pakinggan. Ang ibahagi ng aking munting talento ay isa pong malaking karangalan. Kung sa dako paroon ng ating kwento, magkaibang landas na ang masumpungan. Kay Ruwen and Rachel Matubang, hindi ko kayo makakalimutan.
Very good. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Mr. Borloloy Thinking. He actually wrote the poem especially for you. And it was very interesting because while he was narrating, while he was expressing the poem, we actually had a walkthrough, you know what, about your life. Thank you so much. Once again, let's give Sir Borloloy Thinking a round of applause. Follow his YouTube channel. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, there is one special request that came to my attention. And as much as we would love for everybody, of course, to have a better view of what's happening right here in front, we are just going to make the necessary adjustment. We cannot actually make our official photographer and videographer not to be under spots as they are also taking the best angles of our dearest Langga and Dodong during the ceremonies and our program. Maraming salamat po sa ating pangunawa. Langga, I know of course that talent runs in the family and I'm proving that to you. There is one special guy who would love to perform a very special song for you. Ladies and gentlemen, help me in welcoming Mr. Arnel Tito Donat Morales. Let's give him a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Arnel Tito Donat Morales.
Pwede bang mag-request ako?
Yep.
Pwede bang isayaw niyo naman si Rachel na lang?
Oh, my heart. Yes, no problem. Okay. Once you start singing, Tito Donat, thank you. Let's do it.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
beautiful guests, Rachel and Todo and Langga. We really can get enough of you. Why? Okay. Like I said, the last party that we had, in my age, this is the only time that, what, I have never felt the kilig, totoo po yan, in those movie stars that I would watch, in movies and films. Whenever I would see them, they give me goosebumps. Why? Sabi ko nga po, I love my life, pero minsan nakakapagsabi ako, sana all. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome ourselves to our next tradition. The 18 candles are to be lit by the 18 ladies together with their lovely wishes. May I make a very fervent request to our ladies to make, of course, your messages as sweet, as short, and as profound for our birthday girl. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to all our ladies. Thank you, Miss Yana. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome this time Miss Mia Maige. Let's give her a round of applause. Palakpakan po. This is a good time. Let's listen to the hearts of the ladies of our dearest Langga. Thank you.
Happy 18th birthday, Rachel. Enjoy your night kasama ang mga taong sumusuporta sa iyo at mga nagmamahal sa inyo ni Dodong. At sana hindi lang basta masaya itong gabi sa'yo. Sana maging one of the most memorable night sa'yo. Itong birthday na to. And just like I said last night, I hope this year give you unforgettable memories and may this milestone year be filled with exciting new adventures, experiences, and sana lahat ng wishes mo matupad. Yun lang. Take care always. Again, happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Mia. And this time we...
Thank you sa lahat ng advices at pag-guide mo sa akin minsan about sa ACADS. Stay put kung ano ka noon, huwag na huwag ka magbabago. Be kind, be humble, at maging matulungin sa kapwa. Madami man ang babati ko sa atin, lalo na sa iyo. Hayaan mo sila kasi mas kilala ka namin kaysa sa kanila. Tandaan mo na kapag kailangan mo ng human diary, andito na ako palagi. You're one call away, pinsan, kababata, best friend since day one. Congrats sa inyo ni Kuya. Hoping na hanggang dulo na to, dati pangarap lang natin na ma-princess treatment. Pero ito ka ngayon, nararanasan mo na. Tandaan mong proud na proud ako sa'yo, Beb. Mahal na mahal ka namin at sana maging memorable itong gabi na ito sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Rinsley. You have been so sweet.
Ate May, happy 18th birthday. Wish ko sa'yo na sana kahit maraming pagsubok man ang dumating sa buhay mo hindi ka sumuko. Na sana lahat ng pangarap mo makamit mo. At sana palagi ka ding healthy. At syempre, sana hindi pa rin mawala yung pagiging masayahin mo. Na yung tipong kahit may problema ka, nakasmile ka pa rin. Lagi mong tatandaan na mahal kita, Ate May. Kahit minsan nagkakatampuhan tayo, nagkakasamaan ng loob. Pero kahit ganun, mahal na mahal kita, ate ko. Alam mo naman na nagsasorry ako sa iyo, di ba, after nun? Tsaka nilalambing din kita. At gusto kong malaman mo na proud ako sa iyo. Na proud ako na ikaw na yung naging ate ko. Na ikaw yung ate namin na mapagmahal, maalalahanin, malambing, na sobrang bait, masipag, at sobrang masiyahin. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Thank you so much, Miss Hazel. And this time we have Miss Michaela Borbe. Hi there, Miss.
Happy 18th birthday ni Rachel. Siyempre, sana ay masaya ka ngayong gabi. Wish ko ay sana lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay ay matupad, lalo na yung pangarap mo na maging engineer someday. Palagi mong tatandaan na maraming nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa iyo. Hayaan mo na yung mga basher dahil wala naman silang nasasabing maganda. Just enjoy your life and focus lang sa goal. Basta hindi tayo nakakalimot kay God.
gusto ko lang sabihin na masaya at proud ako sa'yo. More birthdays to come. Stay humble, healthy, kind, generous, and gorgeous. And thank you for inviting me tonight. Again, happy 18th birthday, Mimay.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Ate May. Ang ganda mong maray. For you, matupad. Wish ko for you, matupad at maabot mo ang pangarap mo. Sana huwag kang magbabago sa akin. Magiging cleaning mo sa akin. Sana huwag magbago yun. Kung may problema ka, magkwento ka sa akin. Nandito lang ako lagi sa'yo makikinig. Lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal ka.
Mahal ka din ni Ate Moneng. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Princess Panotes. Hi.
Ang wish ko for you is sana patuloy ka ng pagpalain ng Panginoon. And deserve mo lahat ng mga tatanggap mo ngayong blessings. And sana maging matatag ka lang para sa pamilya mo. And andito lang kami for you. Kaming Kof mo ang isa sa #1 fan mo na lagi nakasuporta lang sa'yo. And congrats din sa inyo ni Kuya Raul or your Dodong. I love you, Mimay. Happy birthday.
And she loves you back, Miss Princess. And now here we go for Miss Angela Frondozo.
Kaya ka ngayon. Dahil ito na yung isa sa mga gusto ni mama mo. Sana hindi ka magbago kung ano yung nakilala namin noon. Andito lang kami ng mga kaibigan mo. Handang suportan ka sa lahat ng gusto mo. Isa kami din sa #1 fans mo. Nandito lang kami kapag kailangan mo ng kausap. And about nga pala sa mga basher mo, hayaan mo lang sila dahil basta alam namin kung sino ka talaga at saka mas kilala mo ang sarili mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you for reminding her once again, Miss Angela. And now we're moving over.
Enjoy your day and una sa lahat, sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo and tsaka thank you lagi dahil andiyan ka parati sa akin, sa mga kaibigan mo. Then, patatag lang lagi, Mimay. Andito lang kami. At andiyan ka para sa kasiyahan mo, na kalungkutan. Napakabait mo, wala akong masabi, Mimay. I love you.
Thank you so much, Miss Cheska. And here we go for Miss Mary Lavinia.
Mo sa amin, sana di ka magbago. Deserve mo lahat ng to. Stay humble and pretty. Yun lang. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your special.
Thank you so much, Miss Mary.
18th birthday, Rachel. Welcome to legal age. Wishing you love, success, and happiness in your life. And I wish you have a lifetime smile. Just a birthday message for the one of the most beautiful classmate. I'm so blessed and grateful for having you as a friend. No birthday wishes, greetings, and message may express how much I love you. I hope your special day will bring you lots of happiness, love, and fun. Enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday.
Thank you so
Happy birthday, Ate Rachel. Sana masaya ka dahil nasa tamang edad ka na at sana ma-enjoy mo ang araw na ito. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral at maging success someday. At sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa'yo. Stay pretty. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss J. You're so sweet. Now, folks, we have this time the beautiful sister of our dearest Dodo, Miss Anchali Madubang. Let's give her a round of applause. Thank you.
Happy 18th birthday, May. Sana all maraming celebration. May your special day be as amazing you are, and may the year ahead bring you all the happiness and success you deserve. Mag-iingat ka lang palagi at patuloy lang sa kabaitan mo. Nandito lang ako palagi at Basta nakasupport lang ako palagi sa'yo. At sila, mama at papa, supportive din yan talaga. Basta, kung kailangan mo lang kausap, punta ka lang sa Kubo. Ayan, happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Yes.
Michelle, happy birthday. Gusto ko lang sabihin na kahit noon pa, nung unang-una kitang nakita, nung 17th birthday ka, ay napakaganda mo na talaga. And yun, wish ko lang para sa'yo ay matupad lahat ng pangarap mo, hindi lang sa'yo at para sa buong pamilya mo. Yun lang, once again, happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Joy, for being in this journey with our dearest Langga. Now, folks, here we go this time for Miss Saishi May Magkan.
God will grant you a long life, a good health, and more birthdays to come, always together through everything. I wish na sana ay matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo, katulad na maging isang engineer someday. Wishing you all the best. Happy 18th birthday again, Rachel.
Thank you, Miss Mariette, and you.
Na blessing sa'yo, sa inyo ng family mo. Take care always and stay pretty. Yan lang po.
That's it. Short and profound. Ladies and gentlemen, for our next special one, please welcome to the beautiful Miss Maui Matubang. Let's
happy 18th birthday ulit. Masaya ako na nakilala kita at nagkakilala kayo ni Kuya. Wish ko sa'yo, sana hindi ka magbago at salamat sa kabaitan mo at sa inyong pamilya. Sana marami pa tayong banding na magawa para makilala natin ang isa't isa at happy birthday ulit.
Thank you so much, Miss Maui, and ladies and gentlemen.
As you step into your adulthood, ang wish ko sa iyo, B, sana lahat ng pangarap mo at gusto mo sa buhay ay makuha mo. At sana lalo ka pang maging strong sa lahat ng pagsubok mo sa buhay, maliit man o malaki. Basta lagi mong tatandaan na mahal ka ng Diyos at mahal ka ng mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. At sana marami pang blessings na dumating sa iyo kasi deserve mo yan. Kasi napakabuti mong tao at palagi mong iisipin na maging positive lagi sa buhay. Ako, andito lang ako parati sa tabi mo. Hanggat kaya kong makatulong sa pag-aaral mo, is tutulong ako. Basta kapag di mo na kaya, andito lang ako. Basta sa lahat ng breakdowns at stress mo, huwag kang mahiya na magsabi sa akin. At nagpapasalamat din ako dahil isa ka sa mga blessings na dumating sa buhay namin. At salamat sa pagmamahal kay Mama, kahit hindi mo siya tunay na nanay, pero yung pinapakita at pinaparamdam mo is higit pa sa tunay mong ina. At alam namin na gaano ka kamahal ni Mama at ng mga kapatid mo. Siyempre, lagi kang mag-iingat kayo ni Dodong sa mga lakad nyo. Sana huwag kang magbago. Huwag sana magbago yung nini na nakilala namin noon. Proud na proud ako sa'yo, alam mo yan. Happy birthday ulit. I love you, babe.
Thank you so much, Miss Dana May Aguilar, the daughter of our dearest titay. Miss Dana, may I request you to be here po? Because Langga is gonna join you together with the rest of our ladies. Ladies, can you bring your candles with you? May I once again Miss Mia, Miss Rixie, Miss Hazel, Miss Michaela, Miss Sherilyn, Miss Princess, Miss Angela, Miss Jessica, Miss Mary, Miss Gwendolyn, Miss Jane, Miss Angeli, Miss Joy, Miss Mariette, Miss Queen Alexandra, Miss Maui, and Miss Dana. Ladies and gentlemen, we've just been done and good with our 18 candles traditions. Now ladies, look at the camera first.